Welcome back to our gardening and farming channel where we explore the fascinating world of living organisms. Today we're excited to introduce to you the inch plant turtle vine, also known as Bolivian Jew. Join us as we dive into the details of this unique and beautiful plant. The inch plant turtle vine, formerly known as Callisia repens, is a native to the tropical regions of South and Central America. It has a rich history with its name Bolivian Jew, reflecting its association with Bolivia and the popularity of its attractive foliage. The inch plant turtle vine is a low-growing perennial with trailing stems that can reach up to a foot in length. Its oval-shaped leaves are typically green or variegated with stripes of pink or purple, adding a splash of vibrant color to any space. The leaves also have a velvety texture, giving the plant an intriguing tactile appeal. Inch plant turtle vine thrives in bright and direct light and prefers well-draining soil. It can be grown both indoors as a houseplant or outdoors in mild climates. The versatile plant is relatively low maintenance and can tolerate a range of temperatures. Inch plant turtle vine can be a great addition to any garden as a ground cover or as a trailing plant in hanging baskets or containers. It complements other low-growing plants and can provide an attractive backdrop for taller specimens. Its cascading foliage also adds a unique visual element to vertical gardens. While primarily grown for its ornamental value, inch plant turtle vine has some traditional medicinal uses. In certain cultures, the plant has been used to treat minor skin irritations, soothe burns. However, it's important to note that any medicinal use should be approached with caution and under professional guidance. And there you have it, a closer look at the charming inch plant turtle vine, or Bolivian Jew. Its trailing stems, colorful foliage, and adaptability make it a delightful addition to any garden or indoor space. We hope you enjoyed learning about the inch plant turtle vine in this video. If you found it informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more captivating plant profiles. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening.